That's it. That's there for life. Found out that.
Yeah, y'all strike it up, right? Or whatever, doing your attachments, right, Lises?
Yeah. Last.
Let me get my trowel, please.
Yeah. You want to bucket mud too now?
How much mud is it? Nah, I don't need no mud.
I'm not gonna pour it. The part that's with me is this right here. I can't find
What happened, David?
the corners. I can't find them. So
Yeah, that was the first thing we should be putting on. We'll get them tomorrow.
well, I got the height, though.
Okay. Let me get the tuck pointer, Liz, también. El tuck pointer también, please. I'll put it back down.
I'm about to strike it, right? Or you about
Yeah.
to strike it down there?
I'm gonna hit this bottom stuff. What up, y'all? Look, we up here. We up here. We just put the final touches for now. I'm using the wooden part of the tuck pointer for this. Normally we use metal, but it's a little different style, texture we're trying to give it. It can't be too smooth. It's smooth, but not metal smooth. Thank you for the likes. Appreciate y'all liking. Where y'all watching from? What part of the world y'all in? We're out on YouTube. Where y'all at? I found a tuck pointer, Lises. We were looking for it, right? Hey, thank y'all for joining. Thank y'all for liking.